All right, those are just our Grand's Pillsbury biscuits. Now I've got some whipped cream cheese here, and I'm just gonna come in with a few dollops of this right down the center of those Grand's Pillsbury biscuits, Grand's Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. Marty, we were just talking about biscuits, and now I've got biscuits on the brain.
On the brain.
Now I'm just gonna use my little spatula here to give this a spread. We're making a really easy Halloween time treat. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so simple, so festive. Y'all are going to love it. Alrighty, now I've got some orange sweet marmalade. Now, y'all, I was at the grocery store and I saw that now they're making orange cinnamon rolls. So I just thought, oh, we could just make our own, make this real festive and fun for Halloween season. All right, we're just gonna spread in our marmalade. Look at that beautiful little chunks in there. I love a fruit jelly with some chunks, you know? Just so pretty, my goodness. All right, we're just gonna roll this back up here. I'm gonna get this a little bit tighter. There we go, perfect. Alrighty, I'm gonna move that aside and bring in our silicone, and the oven just went off, so now we know that that's ready. What I'm gonna do here is take our orange marmalade cinnamon rolls, and we're just gonna start placing these guys right on in here. All right, y'all, we did have to subsidize with a few extra little smaller cinnamon rolls. Now I'm going to just come in with my little meat masher presser here. I'm gonna press this down so that face of the jack-o'-lantern really comes through. And now I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, look at our beautiful cinnamon rolls fresh from the oven. We just baked these up for about 25 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do, flip this over onto our plate, and right before I take this off, I've just got the frosting that they came with. I'm gonna add a little bit of orange food coloring to this. We'll just mix that up. This is gonna be perfect for our little pumpkin themed jack-o'-lantern cinnamon roll face. There we go, I love it. Let me just pull this off ever so gently. Oh, it looks fantastic. He looks so good. The spirit of Halloween is alive and well with our cinnamon rolls here. Add that orange frosting on top. How gorgeous and perfect is that? Now, because I had 2 little packs of cinnamon rolls here, I'm gonna add some green to the smaller frosting. Ooh, very Halloween-y. Look how cute. I'm gonna pour a little bit of this into his eyes. Really make this jack-o'-lantern face come to life. Look at that, into the little nose. And you know what? I was gonna use a brush, but we'll just drizzle it just like this onto the... This is gonna be perfect to take to breakfast for the church, celebrating Halloween. Y'all, you gotta try it.